Hello friends, peace be upon you. Today I want to talk about nature's innocent animal and of course my favorite one, the deer. I'm sharing this very beautiful video of deer that came into my yard with all of you. I've done a lot of research on deer and I would love to share what I have learned. So let me play this video and let's watch together. Here you go. Okay. Deer are a beautiful example of nature's wisdom. They are very gentle and graceful animals that live close to the earth. They move quietly through the forests and fields. Just watch this one here, this one here. And teaching us calmness and awareness. They eat grass, they eat leaves, fruits, vegetables, they're herbivorous. Did you know how deer survive in winter? When the ground is covered with snow and food is hard to find, they eat dry leaves. They lick tree bark and even rocks to get minerals. Their bodies produce heat that helps them stay warm in cold weather. This shows how nature protects them and keeps them balanced. Deer do not need us, but I feel that I need them. And watching deer feel like therapy for me. Their calm presence brings peace, unity, and happiness to the heart. You know what? They have beautiful, sparkling eyes, and they have a gentle nature. They stand for peace, innocence, and harmony with the earth. These animals, they care for their young ones with love and kindness. And they also help keep nature balanced. So let us respect animals and protect their natural homes. By caring for animals, we care for nature itself. Okay? I just love watching them. It's so relaxing. Thank you, friends, for watching my videos. Enjoy your day and always, always, always keep smiling and stay peaceful like nature. Be happy. And peace.